So you can check on my video there. I fixed an iPhone 10s, and then that's the same phone. Alright, so let me just fix this one. I've ordered a new LCD screen for this iPhone, and so what's up, guys? For today's video, we're gonna be fixing broken iPhone. Let me just bring this up. Just a few days ago, one of my customer brought this iPhone 10s, and the first issue is that the phone won't power on, and I fixed it. And he took the phone. The problem is he was driving a bicycle, and then he did not notice that he dropped the phone. And then when he was searching the phone, he found it on the road, and screen is shattered. See, it's shattered. So you can check on my video there. I fixed an iPhone 10s, and then that's the same phone. Alright, so let me just fix this one. I've ordered a new LCD screen for this iPhone. It arrived today. Put it on the side for a moment and just open the package. There's free tools. Here's the LCD installation guide. Okay, good. Free wipes there. Good. LCD. Good. What about the cables? They look good. Okay, look good. This one is a tape protector. What's this? Screen protector. Another screen protector. Okay, cool. 366. So this one is the earpiece. We're gonna be replacing the earpiece as well. This is for XS. This is the metal plate with screws. Do we have screws? Yes, we do have the screws. Alright, let's go ahead and work on it. Basically, the first thing that we need to do is remove the old LCD. So carefully pry it. Let's get the batteries out. Next will be the LCD there. So here's the old LCD. Let's get the new one. There's the new one. And we need this one. We don't want to scratch the LCD, so I'm gonna put a bubble wrap and earpiece. We need the earpiece. How do we put the earpiece? So like this. Alright, so let's reuse the screws from this old. It's a 3-pin. Need this so that the screw will not jump. Right, so let's put earpiece. Be careful. Okay. So what else do we need here? I don't think we need anything from here. Let's put it away. We need to attach this. Let's remove first this yellow sticker. And this cable goes here, and this cable goes here, and then this cable goes here. Right? Make sure other cables are attached properly. And the battery, make sure it is attached. You can use this plastic to push the cables. Alright, so let's power it on. Let's charge it. Plug it in. Alright, let's just wait for a moment. Alright, so after charging for 20 minutes, the phone won't turn on. It just keeps on looping on this Apple logo. So what's going on here? Let's do troubleshooting. Let's unplug the battery. Then let's unplug the earpiece. Okay, make sure everything is plugged in properly. Then, there we go. Alright, that's working. The earpiece. What happened? Okay, everything's working. Where's the battery here? I thought this was the battery. Alright, let's unplug everything. Let's clean. Okay, let's unplug it first because we know that it is working. I need to, yes, swipe this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the LCD volume up. They are working. I'm not sure if earpiece is working. But let's unplug LCD. There. Put it there for a moment. Alright, so next thing that we'll need to do is remove this screw because we're going to be using it. I'm going to be using this screw. Remove this one too. And then clean. Okay, that's removed. So let's clean the edges first. Make sure there's no glasses. Clean the edges. Oops. Careful. Okay, that's enough. Now we put the remove this and leave it here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Over there. Nice. Okay, out. Let's touch. Let's remove first the copper board sticker. Okay, out. It's good. Alright, that's good. Let's attach the earpiece. Just like that. And the LCD. That. And lastly, this guy here. Gotta be careful. We don't want to damage the port and the cable as well. So make sure everything is attached properly. And let's put the metal plate. It's gonna secure the cable. So what's this? This is so small. Just like that. Another one. This is too small. We gotta be careful. 3 pin. This is four or three legs. We're gonna find the three legs. Yeah, this guy. Okay, I think I found it. Should be here. So it's not gonna fit. Okay, that should be fine. I think that's enough. I'm gonna secure it with scotch tape. Don't really need it anymore, but I'm just gonna put it just to make sure. Okay. And then cover.